So I found myself at one of the bigger booths at SEMA for 2010. I'm talking about, of course, K&N. They're the masters of air filters, and this is a fantastic booth that you've got going on down here. How important is SEMA to you guys?
Well, it's really important. SEMA is the biggest trade show in North America for the automotive aftermarket. We come to SEMA probably with about 40 to 45 people, and it gives us an opportunity to show our product to about 100,000 people that are in the trade, professionals selling, performance parts, and that's what we're all about is performance and the technology that's in our product.
Well, when it comes to air filters, you are the first stop for just about anybody who wants that little bit extra performance, but you also take care of intakes as well.
Right. We are I think the first choice, the leading brand for performance air filters. That's the easiest modification you can do for your car. If you're a little bit more of an enthusiast, then the next, best product is the air intake system. And we have a line of, well over 500 different specific air intake systems built for, a unique vehicle and designed to make horsepower. We have a horsepower guarantee that goes along with that. So it's a great choice for somebody that wants, the little bit extra power that they can get from an air intake system.
Well, as I've mentioned, you have got a big booth, but you're certainly making use of it by displaying all of this stuff. What are some of the new intakes that you've got on display down here?
We've got new intakes for the Camaro, for a whole bunch of different import vehicles, Nissans, Toyotas, Hondas, most of the domestic vehicles, both on the car side and the truck side. We've got a brand new Ford Edge intake that just came out actually last week. So we have really good coverage for most of the newer cars that are coming out, and we have a lot. I think the largest line in the industry of street legal air intakes for people that live in an area where they need a CARB exempt intake kit that could be used in the state of California, for example. So very big, very broad line.
And you mentioned a horsepower guarantee. That's got to be a big selling point when you're selling intakes.
Well, I think for us, it's all about the fact that when we design and develop an intake kit, we don't just grab a vehicle, throw a kit on, test it once on a dyno, and then sell it. We, typical air intake for us, we're testing 3 to 5 vehicles. We're doing dyno tests, maybe 200 plus dyno runs before we perfect the design. So there's a ton of testing and engineering that goes in, and that gives us the confidence to basically put a guarantee on it, which is if you install this kit on your car, you're going to see a horsepower increase, or else we'll take it back and we'll give you your money back.
So when we're surfing the web and we're looking at intakes and we're looking at air filters, where do we go to?
knfilters.com. We'll give you all the information about our product. We've got installation videos, just a huge amount of information about the product. Great place to go to learn about it.
Excellent. Thanks very much, Tim. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us. K&N always putting on a massive show at SEMA.